think we call these things updates, right? If you can see them there, I finally managed to remove the timing belt cover. The next step will be to drain the oil and drop the oil pan. But for some reason I'm weird. And I skipped that part and I went directly into if you see those. Those run from that point right there to the other side. And it's the cross membrane that covers the transfer case and the one that holds the transmission in place. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. And now, because to be able to drop the transmission and be able to remove the engine, I need right there in front. It's a Y section that was gonna prevent me from doing either one of those things. So before I get everything oily down here, I was like, probably I should remove everything that's connected down there, which means removing those plates, jacking the transmission up. Remember the last update? It worked. Oh, two other ones right there holding the transfer case. Just heavy stuff. Again, out of the here, out of the here. Oh gosh. This is what I was struggling last time with. Okay, maybe we do leave the light on. Water pump. I removed the gasket. It has a little bit of corrosion, but nothing that bad, nothing major. Just gonna replace everything and reseal the whole thing. This one, on the other hand, was a little bit rusty, but paint remover, and basically just got rid of the oxide layer. You can see the scratch marks, but they don't really deform the metal. So that's the water pump. That's the... I need to replace this gasket though. This is the place where it was leaking on the front. On top it was the gaskets that go underneath. And I guess that's it. After... Oh, okay, those actually need to get... I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the electrolytic thingy, where you submerge it in salty water and you put electrodes to remove the corrosion, or if I want to do an acid bath. So I'll think about that. But other than that, tiny sure. Other than that, it's just finishing with that connection right there. Been really stubborn. It doesn't wanna unscrew, unstock. I don't know. It's rusty. It's difficult to move. I'm tired. I gave up on that part. But as soon as I finish removing that tube, I'm gonna be able to pull the exhaust in the front, then drop the transmission, pull out the engine, and start reassembling everything. I think it's been 5 months since I started to work on it. And then another 5 months gathering the tools and stuff. But we're getting there. I have a collection of parts now. I guess it's just a matter of assembling everything and putting it back where it belongs. But that's it. Tiny update or something. I don't know. Anyways, peace out or something. That's how I need these things, right? Right?